Welcome to the online social studies class. In this video, we are going to learn about states in northern plains, tourist places in the states of northern plains, food, culture and occupation. Students, now we'll begin with chapter number 9 in your social studies book, that is States of Northern Plains. The northern plains of India runs parallel to the Himalayas from Punjab in the west and to Assam in the east. Three basins in the northern plains are: first one, Satluj Basin in the west; second, the Ganga Basin in the middle; third, the Brahmaputra Basin in the east. These are the main basins of northern plain. Now to understand basin, we need to understand tributaries. The main river have several smaller rivers joining them. These are called tributaries. For example, Yamuna and Gomti are tributaries of Ganga. Now, basin is a place where river and tributaries join. Northern plain is also known as the Indo-Gangetic Plains or the North Indian River Plain. The abundant water and rich silt. Students, silt means mud or clay, or you can say small rocks deposited by a river or lake, brought down by the Himalayan rivers, make the northern plain very fertile. Indo-Gangetic plains are flat and even. In this video, we'll learn about states that come under northern plain. The first one, Punjab, Haryana, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, West Bengal, Assam, National Capital Territory of Delhi. Now we'll begin with Punjab. As I have had mentioned, Satluj Basin is in west. It covers the state of Punjab and Haryana. Now the capital of both Punjab and Haryana is Chandigarh. It is a very well planned city. It was one of the early planned cities in post independence India and is internationally known for its architecture and urban design. Chandigarh is also known as the beautiful city. Occupation. Now, as I've already told you, in occupation, farming will always be an option. So, the main occupation of the people in both the states, Haryana and Punjab, is farming. Now, scientific methods and important machines such as tractors and harvesters are used for farming. The land is very fertile, and with this modern machinery, the farmers get a rich crop. The main crops that are grown in Punjab are wheat, millet, gram, oilseeds, and various vegetables. People practice dairy farming with modern machineries and modern methods. Industries. The main industries of Punjab are textile, hosiery, swing machines, cycles, and sports goods. As you must have heard about the Bass brand, this was the first brand which was used by MS Dhoni. Dress. Women in Punjab wear salwar kameez and dupatta. Men wear kurta with pajama and pagdi that we call turban. Dance. Now Bhangra, a very lively dance, is the famous group dance of men in Punjab. And for the women in Punjab, group dance is called Gidda. Let's come to food. Favorite food, like Punjabis love to eat. Their favorite food is makke ki roti, sarson ka saag, and lassi. Festivals. Although there are many festivals, but the main festivals celebrated by the people of Punjab are Lohri, Basant Panchami, Baisakhi, and Diwali. Tourist places. Now, Golden Temple in Amritsar is the most important Gurudwara of the Sikh people. There are other important places as well for tourist interest, like Jallianwala Bagh, Sheesh Mahal, Lakshmi Narayan Mandir. And you can see in the image all these tourist places. Now we'll learn about Haryana. Now Haryana lies towards the south of Punjab in the Satluj basin. Same basin. Now Chandigarh, the capital of Punjab, as I've already told you, is the capital of Haryana as well. Occupation. The people over here do farming, dairy farming, and cattle rearing. Farmers in Haryana also use modern machines like tractors, tube wells, and water pumps. Main crops grown in Haryana: wheat, maize, rice, pulses, sugarcane, oilseeds, and cotton. Yamuna and Satluj rivers provide water for irrigation. For the farming, the Western Yamuna Canal and the Bhakra Canal system are the main canal used for irrigation. Students, irrigation is the process of applying controlled amounts of water to plants at needed intervals. Irrigation helps to grow agricultural crops and maintain the landscapes and distribute soils in dry areas and during the period of less than average rainfall. Let's come to the topic industries. Now there are two important places, Gurugram and Faridabad, important when it comes to industrial towns. The Maruti Udyog is considered the biggest car factory of India in Gurugram. There are other important industries as well, like information technology, textiles, tractors, tires, sugar, paper, and glass. Dress. The traditional dress of women is ghagra, kurta, and orni. The traditional dress of men is kurta with pajama or dhoti. Now, there's only one difference in Haryana and Punjab in dress for men. Like dhoti is also an option. Language, people speak mainly two languages, Haryanvi and Hindi. But their Hindi is a little bit different from what we speak in Uttar Pradesh. Tourist places, Surajkund, Bhatkal Lake, Kurukshetra, Panipat, and Karnal are the important tourist places in the state of Haryana. Student, make sure that you revise the chapter that we have covered right now. Go through each and every line so that you will be able to answer your questions properly, and it will help you in your test that comes in the form of multiple choice question. Thank you.